The fine adhesive line is an ideal product for masking sprayed paint. It is a flexible adhesive that allows you to follow the contours of any part. In a flamming type decor, we alternate two different colours. A third colour is possible. It is the colour hidden by the line. It is convenient to use conventional paper adhesive masking tapes over flexible PVC lines. Just press lightly with your finger. This allows easy cutting with the scalpel without cutting the support. When creating a flamming type painting, you can choose to paint the inside of the flames or the outside of the flames. The lines cross in certain places and create gaps where paints can infiltrate. It is possible to press these places with the tip of your nail or with a sharp object in order to prevent the paint from seeping through and creating a defect. The most effective is to apply a layer of transparent graphic binder in order to fill these interstitial areas.